Sundays are for self-care, a fresh start, and a spotless home. But who has time to do it all? Luckily, my iLife T20s Pro has it covered. While I reset myself, it resets my home effortlessly. First things first, tidying up. Fold clothes, clear my desk, and put things back to their place. While I do that, my T20s Pro starts vacuuming. Ultra strong 6500 PA suction ensures no dust, crumbs, or pet hairs are left behind. It even gets into corners and under furniture. Bonus tip: I set it to the do not disturb mode so I can focus without distraction. You know that hard to reach dust under the couch? Yeah, they don't stand a chance. Powerful suction pulls in even the finest particles, automatically increases suction on carpets for deeper cleaning. If you have pets, this saves you from daily shedding disaster. Vacuum is great, but what about those sticky spills? That's where T20s Pro's mopping features comes in. Simultaneously vacuums and mops, cutting cleaning time in half. No need to do it separately. Removes fine dust and dried stains in one go. Use different water levels for tiles, hardwood and marble. No damage, just shine. Unlike random mop movements, T20s Pro mimics human hand movements with its Y-part cleaning. Double scrubbing action ensures no streaks, no watermarks. Cleans in an effective structured pattern so it doesn't miss a spot. Set it to Y-shaped mopping mode for high traffic areas like living room. Ever seen a robot bump around aimlessly? Not this one. LiDAR navigation scans your home for precise cleaning route. It moves strategically, not randomly. Can clean in low light too, so it works while you sleep. Want to keep cleaning focused? I just draw a virtual boundary in the app and T20s Pro knows exactly where not to go. I don't even need to be at home for starting of a cleaning cycle. iLife Clean app lets me schedule cleans for different rooms, adjust suction and water level remotely, set specific cleaning zones, saves up to 5 different maps, perfect for multi-floor homes or rearranging furniture. Set the number of times a room needs to be swept and mopped because high traffic areas need extra care. If I am too busy to grab my phone, I just ask Alexa to start cleaning and it's done. I love cleaning, but emptying dustbin every day? No thanks. The self-emptying dog sucks out all the dirt with 20,000 PA suction. It stores dust in a huge 3.5 liter disposable bag, which means no touching dirt for up to 70 days. No messy dust clouds, no hassle. I get a notification when the bag is full, so I don't even have to remember. What if the vacuum didn't need to run back to the dog every few minutes? The 300 ml onboard dustbin holds more dust, so it cleans longer without interruptions. Picks up everything from fine dust to cereal crumbs. I set it to clean after my breakfast, so my floors are spotless before I even start my day. So what's worse than vacuum dying mid-clean? Nothing. Runs up to 4 hours on a single charge. Automatically returns to the dock to recharge and resumes cleaning where it left off. I schedule a full home clean on Sundays and quick spot clean on weekdays. From my bedroom to the kitchen, every space is dust-free, fresh and clean. No more chasing dust bunnies, no more stress over cleaning. Just pure relaxation in a spotless home. A clean home equals to a clear mind. Trust me, it works. Sundays are to be feeling refreshed, not exhausted. Thanks to iLife, my home and my mind feel lighter. Who knew self care could start with clean floors? Tell me your Sunday reset in the comments. Want a spotless home just like mine? Bring home iLife T20s Pro and feel the difference.